You are watching iQuandex platform presentation. In this video, you will learn how to build a 100% online business and make money at home. This offer is suitable for any type of investor, both non-professional and professional. Investment is always a risk, sometimes minimal and sometimes high, but being poor is a greater risk. When you invest in financial markets, you risk losing money. By doing nothing, nothing will change in your life, and that is also one of the most serious risks. How to provide yourself with a stable passive income, which will ensure a reliable financial cushion and a decent standard of living. How not to depend on external circumstances, such as the economic crisis, the coronavirus, which has ruined numerous businesses, etc. Now, let's talk a little bit about the financial industry. The exchange is the crown of the financial industry. Everyone can be found on currency exchanges, insurance companies, banks, funds, private and corporate traders. Today, a full-fledged sector of the financial market has been created with a new class of financial instruments – cryptocurrencies. Crypto exchanges appeared just 10 years ago, when the first digital currency, Bitcoin, appeared. Many people still do not believe in the industry of digital currencies. At the same time, it should be noted that more than 90% of the world's money turnover are digital payments, including cryptocurrencies, which are officially accepted in many countries. For example, crypto assets are one of the main objects of investment of world banks and pension funds. This sector is actively developing, providing participants with unique opportunities. Where will we earn and where will we get our income from? iQuandex team has created a truly unique and advanced tool, a symbiosis of trading, IT and investment. We work with the largest crypto exchanges, Binance, which daily trading turnover is about $8 billion, and Kraken, with daily trading turnover exceeding $630 million. Other exchanges are also expected to be connected in the near future. There are two tools for management and multiplication of assets in iQuandex arsenal: trust management and trading via API keys. You can also select the asset you want to multiply, BTC or USD. In case of trust management, you transfer your funds to the platform so that it manages the deposit as it sees fit. This direction is good because it relieves the burden on the investor in terms of his professional development, trading and investment skills. The second offer, which is gaining popularity, is working via API keys. This option does not involve the transfer of funds to the third parties. You just choose an exchange, Kraken or Binance, and an asset, US dollar or Bitcoin. Then, you rent an iQuandex trading bot, IQbot, and give it permission to trade with your deposit on the chosen exchange. This way, the bot generates income under your complete control. IQbot from iQuandex works with only two assets, BTC and USD, and only on the futures market, which has the highest liquidity and allows you to earn not only on the rise of the exchange rate, but also on its fall. In addition, the bot determines both trends and flats, which allows it to apply the most profitable trading strategies depending on the market situation and reach the profitability determined by the rental terms faster. Another difference is that you don't need to buy the bot and customize it yourself. You get a completely finished product for rent, and the platform team regularly sets it up and makes updates. As we mentioned earlier, iQuandex works with only two assets, Bitcoin and US dollar. This choice is justified by the fact that despite the long history of Bitcoin, the first and main cryptocurrency, there are still people who do not recognize it as an investment instrument. It is for such investors that iQuandex platform offers US dollars. You can see the profitability of iQuandex platform in BTC and in USD on the charts on the screen. What income opportunities does iQuandex platform offer? First, you may be a client. iQuandex platform bot, IQBot, is for rent. You don't need to buy it. It's like a car that you rent, ride and give away after it has performed the necessary task. It's the same with the bot. As soon as it brought the percentage of income specified in the terms, the lease term ends. Thus, the bot's lease is not linked to calendar days. Secondly, you may become a partner. To do this, you do not rent a bot, but rather buy a license. There are 5 types of licenses, which differ in terms of conditions and accordingly the cost. These are licenses for 25, 250, 750, 1,500 and 5,000 US dollars. With the license, you get the opportunity to receive income from both the bot and the partner program. When you buy a license, you get the rent of the first bot as a gift. Please note, the cost of the license is the same as the cost of renting a bot. As soon as the bot you received as a gift when you purchased the license brought the prescribed profit, you rent a new bot. The license itself, which brings additional income from attracting new partners, remains with you forever. Let's analyze what kinds of products are available on iQuandex platform and what their differences are. There are bots for 250, 750, 1,500 and 5,000 US dollars. When you rent a bot, you choose the investment amount in the range that is specified in the conditions. Let's look at the example of a $250 bot. If you choose US dollar deposit, the profit is 50%, the minimum investment amount is $750 and the maximum amount is $1,500. If you choose Bitcoin, the profit is 25%, the minimum investment amount is $1,500 and US dollar equivalent, and the maximum amount is $3,000. Please note, depending on your selected currency, you get different benefits. Bitcoin is more difficult to multiply, so the profitability is lower. However, you get the opportunity to place a 2 times larger deposit, and the bot will finish its work 2 times faster, which means that you get your profit faster. Please note that you get an increased profitability, 60% on the maximum package with the maximum deposit amount, due to which the net profit is 53%. Now, we will consider the potential of these investments in the context of a compound interest. So, when your deposit has brought a certain income, you run the bot again. Deposit the body of the investment plus the income you have earned. This way, you will receive an accrual of income on your previous income. With the accumulation of income, you can rent multiple bots that will work at the same time and bring you income from multiple deposits. In this case, the amount of your initial investment remains unchanged. Let's look at your yield from 10 cycles of bot rental on the example of a $250 license. So, the first cycle, you buy a license for $250 and deposit a maximum available amount of $1,500. At the end of the cycle, your income is $750 plus the body of the deposit, which is $1,500. In total, you have $2,250. You make a reinvestment, rent a $250 bot and deposit $1,500 again. At the same time, you have $500 left in stock on your wallet that do not bring you any income, because according to the rules of the $250 license, the minimum deposit is $750. After the second cycle of the bot, you get $750 of profit again, plus the $1,500, the deposit itself, plus you have $500 left, In total, you have $2,750. This amount allows you to reach a new level of investment. In the third cycle, you can already rent 2 bots for $250 each, which will work simultaneously. You can see the calculation of deposits on the screen. In the fourth cycle, you still have 2 bots, but the size of the deposit for the second bot has already increased, which means that you get a greater profit. In cycle 5, you have 2 bots that work with the maximum possible deposits. At the end of the fifth cycle, you have $5,312.50. With each subsequent cycle, you get the opportunity to rent +1 bot, and in the 10th cycle, already +2 bots. So, for 10 cycles, you get $18,203 with a seed capital of $1,750. Thus, your income will be $16,453. So, in about 1.5 to 2 years, depending on the market situation, your net profit will be 940%. On this slide, you can see how much you will get through 9 reinvestments, that is, 10 cycles. How to start investing? First, you need to replenish your account on the platform. You calculate the amount in US dollars, but the replenishment is made in Bitcoins at the current exchange rate. After that, from your internal account, you buy a license or rent a bot. Why is it more profitable to buy a license than just to rent a bot? License includes products for the amount of the license price. Bot rental is included in the price. There is a commission from the partner program that works on a permanent basis after purchasing the license, even without re-renting the bot. There is a test license with a test product for $25. So, if you do not plan to invest a large amount of money or your budget is limited, you can use a one-time test license, which costs only $25. This license allows you to test the bot and get 10% income. You will also get commissions under the partner program, from which you can accumulate funds to purchase the main license, starting from $250. As for the features of the test license, these bots are disposable, meaning for testing only. There are 2 ways to withdraw funds after the test license expires. First, directly to the external Bitcoin wallet. Second, to withdraw to a personal account to purchase the main license. Please note, if you have a $25 license, once you have withdrawn funds to your internal account, you cannot withdraw funds to an external wallet. Withdrawal of funds from the internal account to an external wallet is available only after the purchase of the main license. What are the advantages of the iQuandex platform? The main advantage is that marketing is separate from deposits. Partner program bonuses are paid only from payments for licenses and bots rental. Deposits are assigned to participants. It is very profitable to work with iQuandex platform, as there is no deposit fee and the withdrawal fee is just $5, regardless of the amount. There are no restrictions on the number or amount of withdrawals. You can deactivate the deposit and withdraw the entire amount 5 days after the bot activation. The average rate of income earned by a bot, 50% of the deposit amount for 45 to 50 days. You can also try a test license for $25. You choose the currency that is convenient for you to work with. It can be Bitcoin or US dollar. iQuandex trade differs from 90% of all similar in the market, only margin trading with BTC and USD futures. Profit on both rise and fall. Another advantage is that you don't need to create multiple accounts. Unlimited number of bots can be rented for one account. You do not need to buy a bot, set it up, and control it yourself. You get a rental of the completed product. The platform is interested in earning 50% of each partner's deposit as soon as possible, so that the partner can re-rent the bot. The sooner you make profit, the more the platform earns. You can earn without building a structure. However, the partner program gives you many advantages. When you buy a license, you get the first bot rental for the license amount as a gift. There is a cumulative marketing plan with both binary and linear marketing. You get income from 10 levels of your referrals. Each time a partner rents a bot, you get a commission. Each partner's payment is added to the total turnover, thus closing the new statuses. The statuses give money gifts ranging from $50 to $500,000 in addition to marketing payments. Working with your own structure is very convenient because you can transfer funds between accounts on the platform without restrictions or commissions. You also don't have any restrictions on the countries you can work with. And last but not least, the platform has 100% invested plus earned interest at any given time. For people with bigger initial capital who can deposit $60,000, this is just a mega cool investment tool. For those who do not have this amount but have ambitions, iQuandex offers the opportunity to build a business with a platform as an additional source of income. Under the bonus program, every iQuandex license holder has the opportunity to build a successful business. There are 5 types of bonuses. Linear bonus, no limits on the amount of payments. Binary bonus, up to $100,000 per month. Career bonus, up to $500,000 one-time payment. Sale of licenses, no restrictions. Quick start bonus, $100 one-time payment. Working under the iQuandex marketing plan, in 6 months, an average person can reach a monthly income of $10,000. Let's see how it works. The partner program allows you to attract more money and trade a larger amount of money on more favorable terms than the exchange provides. You get lower trading commissions and priority execution of trading orders. Let's look at the income that you can earn from selling the license. The only condition that must be met to earn profit from the license sale is that you have the status of the partner of the platform, meaning the license. The higher the cost of your license, the higher the percentage of your income from selling the license is. On the screen, you can see a table showing your percentage of revenue depending on the license you have purchased. It is important to note that the company pays all bonuses under the partner program exactly from the purchase of the licenses. This is the basis of marketing. That is, the investment funds of each client are inviolable. Register 2 partners to your first line for the $250 license or higher and get a $50 bonus. Register a 3rd partner for the $250 license or higher and get an additional $50 bonus. The fast start bonus is awarded once. Your total bonus will be $100. The next type of bonus is binary. There is a rule: the higher your license is, the more points you get. To activate the binary bonus, you need at least 2 downline partners who have purchased licenses, one in the left and one on the right. Each downline partner licenses brings you a certain amount of binary points. The higher your package, the more points you can earn. On the screen, you can see a table that shows how binary points are awarded depending on your license. Once 100 points accumulate in your left and 100 points in your right leg, you close the cycle. For closing each cycle, you get a $25 bonus. What is interesting about binary marketing? It's the fastest marketing because you don't have to build a tree yourself. Your sponsor, whose referral link you registered, also takes a part in building your binary. Look at the diagram below. At the top is your sponsor. Below that is you. While you were inviting Steve and Max, your sponsor invited Julia. Her volume will also be taken into account and you will get your binary points. Please note, all bonuses in the personal account come in Bitcoins, at the exchange rate at the time of their accrual. You can immediately withdraw those Bitcoins to your wallet or transfer them to accounts of other iQuandex partners. The undeniable advantage of iQuandex is the fact that when you withdraw money to an external wallet, you only pay the network commission, which is roughly $5, regardless of the amount of withdrawal. Let us consider the potential of the binary bonus. Let's assume that you invited one person in your left leg and one person in your right leg. Those two people have also invited two people each, and so on. That is, your team is growing exponentially. That's why the binary bonus has a monthly payout limit. At this stage of your team growth, these sums are quite realistic to make. The next source of your income that we will consider is the linear bonus. In the linear bonus, commissions are accrued from repeat sales. That is, if the client was satisfied and after the bot brought him income, ran it again, only in this case you will get income. Taking into account that the product is a disposable one and the bots bring income specified in the conditions rather quickly, one person registered under you can bring you a linear bonus up to 5-6 times in 1 year. The higher the cost of your license, the more levels bring you income. So, with licenses for $25 and $250, you get a linear bonus from repeat purchases only from personally invited referrals. If you have a $750 license from 3 levels, on licenses for $1,500, you get a product bonus from 5 levels, and with the license for $5,000, you get income from 10 levels down. Let's look at the potential of the linear bonus. In the chart below, you can see the calculation of the linear bonus depending on the number of repeat purchases by lower partners. The fifth type of bonus is the career ladder. Thus, you get career status and accordingly one-time bonuses for achieving certain turnover of your team. All investments are taken into account in the turnover of the career ladder: purchase of a license, bot rental, repurchase. In this case, the turnover is cumulative. It is not limited to specific time frames. In the chart, you can see the conditions for closing the career ladder statuses and the amount of bonuses. If you invest these bonuses in the purchase of additional licenses or upgrade your license, you get a consistently high income and the opportunity to provide not only for yourself, but also to provide for your family for several generations ahead. The career ladder is cumulative. In this part of the marketing plan, business places are built according to the classical non-binary scheme. It means that each new registered user, both client and partner, gets to a new branch and there can be an unlimited number of such branches. When calculating a partner's qualification, only the turnover of his team is taken into account. Personally invited partners and clients, and further partners invited by them, and so on. Turnovers are calculated as follows. First, 2 groups with maximum turnover are taken, then turnover in the remaining groups is summed up and accounted for a single turnover in the third general group. Grouping by turnover in the table is always arranged this way. The turnover in the first group is always greater or equal to the turnover in the second group. Group 1. Group with the maximum volume at the moment. Group 2. Group with equal or smaller volume than Group 1 currently. Group 3. Group that combines the volumes of all other groups except for Group 1 and 2. Groups may change their positions. That is, any group can change from first to second, from second to first. Also, the first and second group can enter the united third group, or any group from the united third group can become first or second group. A partner's career growth depends on the overall turnover in all his or her groups and the distribution of turnover in the first, second and third combined group. A partner's career status is determined by the group turnover. Achievement of each career status is marked in the company by the leader bonus. You can see the career ranks, group turnover and the amount of accumulated leadership bonuses on the screen. Let's sum it up. You get short distance, the valuable amount to start with, transparent and clear marketing plan, passive and active income, teamwork, 24/7 support service, daily payments for partner program, transfer between accounts, turnkey international business. How to achieve good results? Take online training from the company, get working cases and apply your knowledge. Real project, real product, real interest, real people, real value, real opportunity. Thanks for your attention. Join right now. Get a link to register from the person who sent you this presentation.